Castle 1721 4S challenge. I'll show you. So it's connected to the car, hit track, hit start. Okay. It's connected. Let's see. I look clear a little bit. Let's see if I can get a pass here. Got cars coming from down there, but if I hurry up, probably could beat them. Let's try to get lined up. I think I'm lined up. Alright, let's see if I can get a pass here. That seems like a good pass. I'll get it back, bring it back down here. Is it coming? Oh, it's coming. It looked like it wasn't moving. Let's see what I got. Stop, read, 122 on here. Let's see what that one say. It looks like 122 on the Garmin too. Not quite there yet, but I'm going in the right direction. Let's pull all this stuff off. Let's see here. Looks like 122 on there too. I got GPS on here, but I use it for the telemetry only. Castle 1721 4S. That should be 5 wires. Get this one out. That should be 5 wires. Castle 1721 4S challenge, 7 scale, limitless. Thanks everybody for watching. I would love for everybody to participate in this challenge. You know, let's have fun. I still got a little ways to go because I'm down by 11 miles to the top, people. So I'm gonna work on that. Work on getting that up there. But thanks everybody for watching. I'm out.